Knew that I'd find my heart beats fast. Colors and promises.
Seems that our friends. Where? I don't see it. There, I remember. They are our friends first, named Rindi and Asrianda. Hey, seems they will tell us. Yes, but who? Those friends we used to be Sapriani and Afni. Yes, I remember. Hi, here. Wait, Afni. You kill us. You still remember us? Well, of course, why not? Yes, definitely Sapriani, your name and Afni. Already 3 years we met and eventually we met here. I miss you. I miss you, Mai. Oh, guys, better if you. Yeah, we're good here. We are very pleased to meet you. Together with Manuel. Ago, where our other friends? Bring Busi with their school. Cause we are not a school with them again. Like us. We were alone. Your family were not joining. By the way, I have good food on you. After you please bring my bag. This is your bag. We made it to help us other times. You must learn to make it with us. May also, but you are far from home here. Don't worry. This week we stayed at Grandma's house, and after that we'll go back again to Borneo. We did you was the school there. Let alone we are out here. Yes, what you don't like living here instead of fun, but we have to go to our parents. Don't worry, Pen. Every holiday we all be back here again, and we can communicate through electronic media. Already a part of me. Go home later, mother worry. Yes, we also had to go home. Feel for our pet fathers. How do we go home together? Yeah, come on. Don't forget, tomorrow I am waiting for you